Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today I will introduce you to my second bike. This is a Scott Speedster S20. This is a city touring bike, and today I will install on this bike the Gaciron LOOP-100, the rear light of Gaciron. This is a very nice light, and I will now show you how I will install this light on the round tube of the bike. This is a thick round seat post that it needs the large ring. Let me install this on the bike. So I take the large O-ring. I will make a round around here, and that's it. This is how it is. It is very stable. This is specific for round seat posts like this, and the large ring is for thick seat posts like this. There is also one other option. There is a O-ring that is smaller and is for small seat posts. I will show you right now. So this is another road bike that I have. This is the Specialized Aero. This is a small round seat post, and now I will not install the big O-ring. I will install the small one because this is specific for smaller round seat posts. So I take the small O-ring and I press it like that. It's very nice also here. Very stable. I like it a lot. So it's also very nice on my Specialized. And this is the mount for the rails. It will be like that. We have to remove these bolts with the Allen key that it is included in the package. And this part is the last mounting option of the tail light of Gaciron. This is specially made for Aero seat posts. It is like that, and you have this strap. You put it like that from the one side. You turn it around, and that's it. This is very stable. I can say that it's similar stable to this mount, which is for the rails. Very nice. Let's mount it now. Perfect. I like it a lot. Very nice. So you have three options for a round seat post, thick and slim. For Aero posts like that, this one, and this one which is for the rails. So this is very clever because whichever bike you have, you can mount your rear light perfectly. So I like it very much how it shows on the bike, and very soon I will make a test ride in the roads and in a city near here. I like it very much. It's looking great, amazing. It is an old bike, but with this light it is looking great. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Safe rides!